You can expect a lot from the 2016 Ford Escape. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, power door mirrors, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A CARFAX history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call